Hi there, it's Sanna here again today with another short technique video for the 2018 Glimmer Mist series for Tattooed Angels. I'm using again the same colors as I'm using throughout the video series. The icicle blue, the gold, the pink poodle and the aquamarine. And for this video I've got a water spray bottle and a paintbrush, and I'm going to do something that I like doing a lot. I'm just going to add a lot of water to this surface from the spray bottle, and then I'm going to take some color directly from the bottle and add it to the wet areas and let it react. I'm just adding droplets here and there, and they will spread around on their own and create fun details. I like to use this a lot because you never know what kind of results you get. The Glimmer Mist reacts with the water. You can even add droplets and even they will start to spread on the wet surface here. And then if it gets too dry, just go over with a water bottle, add some water here and there, go over with the next color. Just clean my paintbrush a little bit in between, and then take the gold and let's add some gold in here, and it will soak into the paper, blend with the other color and create fun background effects. And you can add quite a lot if you want a stronger detail there. Add more color and watch it move and react and spread around. You can even add color on top of the previous color and see what happens. Just play around. It's a lot of fun. And if you want to, you can go over this surface now and dry it with the heat gun and then again start all over again. But I'm just going to go for it as it is. And the more water you add, the more lakes you will create, and they will again react. You can even add it directly from the bottle. Works really well. Let's go there. See, there's a real lake and it's running somewhere. And then you can use bits and pieces of these papers just as highlights or details on any project. Doesn't have to be the whole background because it's going to look quite crazy in the end. But if you go and use matching colors, then you will get a totally different look again. And it's quite addictive, and it's a lot of fun. And until it's dry, see here it starts to move around and creates like a river there, and all the colors mix together. That's what I like a lot, because then you get different background images every single time, and there's not a single one that looks the same. It's impossible to create exact same patterns again. And then you just leave it to dry. Then you can add stamping, texture paste, whatever on top of that, and journaling. Use bits and pieces on art journals, artist trading cards, you name it. Okay, so I think I'm done. That's my water with Glimmer Mist soaked onto a paper technique. I don't know how to call that one, but it's a crazy one and it's a lot of fun. And you can leave it to dry and react. If you want it to have it like it is at the moment, then I suggest you use a heat gun on top of that so it dries quicker, but I always like to leave it, maybe just help it move a little bit by, you know, letting the water to move and react. You can even tilt it a little bit, it will change the tones due to that. So when this is dry, I'm going to take a picture of the finished background so you can see how it ended up being. I hope you enjoyed this idea and give it a try. Maybe you like this and want to use this type of idea on some kind of background. You could also use just one color. Would totally create fun details, because some of the areas would stay white and some would get some color. So whatever you want to try, just remember to play. That's the most fun part with these Glimmer Mists. Thanks for watching. Bye.